Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Tamisha and I hope you enjoy the conversation. So I'm finally ready to share with you my blow dry routine that's been making everything easy for me. With my hair stretched, it's easier for me to detangle my hair before shampooing and washing. If you haven't tried it, please try it. I recommend it even if you don't blow dry your hair. It makes the shampoo and the condition process so much easier. Since I've been applying more heat to my hair, I am getting into deep conditioning, really helping to infuse that moisture into the hair. I go ahead and apply the conditioner, put on my plastic cap, and for 15 to 20 minutes, I go about my business and then rinse out. A lot of people rinse out with cold water, but I use warm water and I rinse it out thoroughly according to the directions. I think things tend to go real wrong real fast when we don't read the instructions. To me, if I have to do extra to make a product work, it's not for me and that's okay. So now I'm adding my leave-in conditioner, starting with the spray and then following that up with a cream leave-in conditioner. I do this on towel dried hair per instructions. Even though you see me combing my hair, I'm combing for even distribution, not to detangle. I've already detangled. I'm satisfied with that. Also, I could have broke that section down and I would have had less resistance. Give your hair as many sections as you need. Don't try to rush it. It makes the whole process easier. I use the warm setting with high speed. It gets the job done. It stretches my hair, and I found out that I didn't really need to use the high heat. I feel comfortable using this amount of heat. It stretches my hair just fine without overdoing it with the high heat. I'm starting off with the tension method just to bump out some of that excess water. And if you notice, I'm covering my ends. I'm finding that my ends don't need as much heat as the rest of my hair to become straight. Again, I don't want to overdo it with the heat. I just want to stretch my hair. Oh, and if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. One thing I've noticed about wearing my hair stretched is I'm able to see some of the weaknesses within my hair that would have been hidden with wearing my hair curly. So with that being said, off camera, I looked up a video on how to do layers at home and I gave myself a little haircut. I think it turned out nice.